This fully integrated dishwasher from Bosch is ideal if you're looking for a model with clever technology to take care of your dishes. It has an A++ energy rating and 13 place settings, which means it can wash a main plate, side plate, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 13 people. That means this dishwasher is great for medium-sized households. The Dosage Assist feature gives amazing cleaning results with little effort. At the beginning of the wash, the tablet drops into a special tray in the top basket, where it is completely dissolved by water. It spreads the detergent evenly for a really thorough wash, so when your dishes are dry, they always have an extra sparkle. Bosch's EcoSilence Drive motor is quieter, more energy efficient and longer lasting than normal motors. Because it uses frictionless magnets instead of noisy brushes to power the motor, it's great for open plan living, as you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for a dishwasher with clever technology to take care of your dishes, this fully integrated model from Bosch is an excellent choice.